Today we're going to talk about measuring your piston to wall clearance. Now how you do that, you need a couple things here. You're going to need a 3 to 4 inch micrometer, also known as a mic. The reason why we need a 3 to 4 inch is because, well, this piston is going to be an 86.5 millimeter piston. You're going to need a holder for that mic, and you're going to need a dial bore gauge. The first thing you're going to want to do is measure your bore using your dial bore gauge. You're going to use your mic to get a measurement. Now, the most important part of measuring your piston to wall clearance, forget about stock specifications, forget about what size the cylinder bore is, throw it all out of the window. We are just referencing numbers using these gauges on our bore compared to our piston. So even though we did zero our mic, you might get a different number than when you initially measured your bore. Forget about it. All we're doing is getting a reference. So you're going to get your 3 to 4 inch mic, and you're going to come down here. Now these are Wiseco pistons. Wiseco says to go to the bottom of the skirt or 1.3 inches down from that lower oil ring right about here. You're going to use your tool till you feel a little bit of drag, all right? Right about there. Then you're going to remove your mic. You're going to place it into your micrometer holder. And what you're going to do is you're going to write that measurement down. And as you can see here, we got 86.33 millimeters, all right? And at the top here, what I didn't show you in the video is the bore that we got with that same gauge in this same mic, 86.47. Now we're going to do really simple math. We're going to come over here, and our difference here is 0.14 millimeters, which is a little over 5 thou. We come here to Wiseco specifications. Our minimum clearance is going to be 0.0889 millimeters, and it's okay to be a little bit larger. For example, another cylinder that we measured, we were at about 3 thou. So it is important that you measure your piston to wall clearance on all of your pistons before you drop them into your block, and this is how you do it. Try to stay away from those cheap tools, spend the money. You don't have to spend thousands, but it's going to set you back a couple $100 to have a good micrometer and a good dial bore gauge. The more you know.